Watch this woman very carefully. Notice anything wrong? Most of you just see a tired mom with a headache. Her husband thought she just needed sleep. They were dead wrong. The light was becoming her enemy. Her brain was sending a signal, and she was ignoring it. Because inside her head, a ticking time bomb was growing. If you ignore the 3 tiny signs she missed, it could happen to anyone. Watch until the end. It might save your life.
I'm really scared. Please don't leave.
Ugh, why is the kitchen light so bright today?
I didn't change the bulbs, honey. Maybe you're just tired.
Yeah, probably just a tension headache. It's been a long morning.
I'm the fastest robot in the world! Beep boop!
Sweetie, can we be a little quieter? Mommy's head feels a bit tight.
Tight? Like your shoes?
No, it just means it feels like someone is squeezing my head. A little coffee will help.
Mom, you're home! Did you bring the supplies for my project?
Oh, June, the project. I think I forgot, honey. My head was spinning at the office.
Mom, you're holding your head again. Is it the computer?
Yeah, staring at the monitor for 8 hours. It's just digital eye strain.
Digital eye strain?
It means my eyes are worn out from looking at screens. It'll go away after dinner.
Maybe you should wear sunglasses inside, like a spy.
Maybe I should, June. Maybe I should.
Hey, you haven't touched your popcorn. You okay?
The movement on the screen, it's making me feel nauseous.
Nauseous?
It means I feel like I might get sick to my stomach. This headache is becoming a real migraine.
Do you want some medicine? Or should we go lie down?
No. I want to finish the movie with the kids. I'll just close my eyes for a bit. It'll be gone by tomorrow morning.
Mommy, your forehead is really hot.
It's okay, Jakey. Mommy just needs to sleep. Tomorrow will be a better day.
I'm almost done with the car, kids. I'll be in for pancakes in 5 minutes.
Pancakes! Pancakes! Mommy, can I have chocolate chips?
Sure, chocolate, chips.
Mom, you're shaking. Why are you dropping the spatula?
I just need to sit down.
Mom! Dad! Something is wrong with Mom!
Oh.
Mommy!
Lisa! Lisa, honey, look at me!
She just fell, Dad! She just fell!
Okay. Kids, this is a serious emergency. We need to go right now.
Emergency!
It means something is very wrong, and we need the doctors to help us immediately. Get in the car! Buckle up! Fast!
I've got Jake, Dad! We're buckled!
Hang on, Lisa. Please, just hang on.
We've got her. Clear the hallway.
Where are they taking her? Why can't we go?
They have to run some tests, buddy. We have to wait.
Is she going to be okay, Daddy? Tell us the truth.
The doctors here are experts. They'll do everything they can.
Guys, I'm really scared. But don't go anywhere. Stick around till the end for the vocabulary recap to learn these hospital words with us.
Please be okay. I don't know what we'll do without you.
Mr. Whitmore, I have some news.
Is she awake? Can we see her?
She's resting, but we aren't sure of the exact cause yet. We need to keep her for observation.
Observation?
It means the doctors need to watch her very carefully for a few days to see what's happening inside her head.
Exactly. She'll need to stay here for at least 2 or 3 days.
But who will tuck us in tonight?
I will, Jakey. We're going to be a team.
The house feels lonely.
It's too quiet. I keep waiting for her to tell us to brush our teeth.
Hey, come here, you two. I know it feels like there's a huge void in here.
A void?
A void is a big, empty hole. It feels like someone is missing because someone is missing.
I feel that hole in my heart, Dad.
Me too. But listen, before Mom comes home, let's make her proud.
How?
Let's clean this whole house, every corner. We'll show her we can take care of things so she doesn't have to stress when she gets back.
I'm the dust terminator. Take that.
Look at the shiny table, Dad.
Who knew Mom did all this every single day? She's a machine.
We are working so hard. Make sure you stay for the vocabulary recap at the end to see the words we used for cleaning.
All right, break time. Who wants toast?
Oh, Dad, the kitchen is foggy.
Oops, I might have left it in too long.
Crunchy and very black.
Mom never burns the toast. I miss her.
Me too, buddy. Let's go see her now.
We finished the scans. We found the problem.
What is it, doctor?
Lisa has a small benign tumor in her brain.
A tumor?
A tumor is a little growth that isn't supposed to be there. That's what was causing the headaches.
Is it a bad one?
Benign means a harmless one, sweetheart. We caught it very early. We need to observe it for one more day, but she is going to be just fine.
Thank God. She's sleeping. Be very quiet.
She looks so peaceful.
Hi, Mommy. We cleaned the living room for you.
We love you, Lisa. We're waiting for you.
I just want to hug her.
Tomorrow, sweetie. Tomorrow she comes home. Yes, we'll be there in 20 minutes.
Is it time?
She's being discharged. The medicine is working perfectly.
Discharged! Discharged! That means she's free!
Quick, we need the banner. Jake, get the flowers.
Welcome home, Mrs. Whitmore.
Surprise!
Oh, my babies.
These are for you, because you're the best!
Wait, the house? It's beautiful. You did all this for me?
We missed you so much, Mom. We never want you to leave again.
I'm not going anywhere. I love you guys so much.
Today's vocabulary recap. Exhausting. Being super tired. Nauseous. Tummy feels very sick. Migraine. A giant ouchy headache. Observation. Doctors watching very closely. Tumor. A tiny wrong bump. Discharged. Yay! Ready for home. Benign. Not a scary bump. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.